Two men were shot and killed and another wounded at a bar in Damhead Square, Stair Town, St. Anne on Tuesday night. The deceased have been identified as Javardo Whitlock, a 39-year-old chef, and 27-year-old Akim Reed, otherwise called Older Ed, a laborer, both of the community. Reports are that about 10:50 p.m. Whitlock, Reed, and another man were at a bar having drinks when a motor car drove up and men alighted and opened gunfire at them. They were taken to hospital where Whitlock and Reed were pronounced dead and the other man admitted for treatment. The police have arrested 4 people, including a woman, in connection with last week's brazen daylight bank robbery in Mandeville, Manchester. During a media conference today, Deputy Commissioner of Police Fitzbailey revealed $2.5 million has been recovered so far. 2 men have been charged with murder following an arson attack in Gregory Park, St. Catherine on August 12. 24-year-old mechanic Nigel McCarthy and 21-year-old ordained Popchow Fowler, both from St. Catherine, have been charged with 2 counts of murder, 10 counts of arson, possession of a prohibited weapon, unauthorized possession of ammunition, and being part of a criminal organization. A 15-year-old girl was shot and injured by a gunman during an attempted robbery in West Kingston early Wednesday morning. The teen, a student of a popular high school in Portmore, St. Catherine, has been hospitalized since, police said. Information reaching Observer Online indicates that the child, who lives just outside Spanish Town, St. Catherine, left home Tuesday afternoon to attend American R&B star Chris Brown video shoot in Tivoli Gardens, West Kingston. Police say around 1 on Wednesday morning she was walking with a friend somewhere between Denham Town and Tivoli Gardens when they were pounced upon by gunmen who allegedly tried to rob them. During the incident, one of the men opened gunfire, hitting the teen in her upper body. The gunmen then escaped into the area. The injured child was subsequently taken to hospital by a motorist. She is undergoing treatment. Police said the teen's father reported that he left her at home Tuesday and went to work. Upon arriving home in the evening, he discovered that she was not inside the house and made several calls to her cell phone, which went unanswered.